So first we remove the background, the whites from the background. So we go to subject. Once it's selected, we come here and then we export it as a PNG. Always keep that in mind, as a PNG. Let's replace this. So we are here. We don't have the exact background. She's beautiful, isn't it? She really is beautiful. So now we'll be using any background. So let me see some background that I have. Let me see this. Okay. Let's use this. Now you have the text 2026. So 20 and then another 26. So we can increase this and increase this as well. So this comes here, this comes here. So for uniformity, let's say 300 for and so we can do this, and then even it, E. So now it's even. Now she can come and take the center position for us, but then she is down here, so we have to bring her up here. All right. Now let's use whites for the text. Okay, so the is, and because of our background, okay, so let's use red. Okay, and then it says when you see through the text, you see that some parts are transparent. So let's add our text. How to remove background. How to remove background. Okay. We stretch it, bring it here, we make it thicker. Like, yeah. Now, to have this effect, we come and duplicate this image. So we can use the plus to duplicate, or Control D to duplicate, or Control C and then you paste it. Control C you copy and then you paste it. So either method works. So I'll be using the plus, and so I've duplicated it. As you can see here, it has been duplicated, and then we power clip it inside the text. So you see it has been power clipped inside the text. So when we take this one from there, it's still in the text. That's the trick. Now we use white here, and then the thickness is not that clear, so you see it says none. For our outline it says none, so we can come here and then you select our outline color, and then there we have it. Simple as pie.